I've been an ambassador for Renew 28 since it first came to market in early 2014. I've said it before, but as a therapist, having worked on not only celebrities, but clients who then become dear friends, my research into and trust of a product is not something I take lightly. The number one question I get asked is why? Why do I like Renew 28? Why do I use it? It's because this incredible product offers something new and unique. It creates change. Simply, if your skin is healthy, it will function like younger skin. We start young these days when it comes to looking after our bodies, but both women and men should start just as early looking after their skin, which is usually the first thing to suffer signs of wear and tear through bad habits and lifestyle.
So general day, I'd probably get up in the morning, coach some class in the morning, CrossFit class in the gym, and then in the afternoon, I'll either do some PT or again coach some more CrossFit classes in the afternoon. So my whole lifestyle and philosophy is about keeping my body fit and healthy. Renew 28 fits in with that. It's all about keeping my skin healthy. I know a lot of scientific research has gone into this product. You know, that appeals to me. I can see that it works. If I can keep seeing the results, I'll keep using the product.
Renew 28 is all about redox signaling molecules. These are the little messengers that communicate cell to cell to make sure our bodies are repairing and accelerating the renewal process and slowing down that aging process. Slowing down aging, well, that's simply a great added bonus of having healthy skin. So the question is, how does Renew 28 work? As we get older, the accelerated rate our bodies naturally produce redox signaling molecules declines. ASEA as a company have managed to reproduce these molecules using a specific science and technology. Renew 28 is the result of that science, a gel-based skin product that gives us back that youthful redox production rate, helping our skin to function at an optimal level, not only for our faces, but all over our bodies.
It's so natural, it's so easy to use, and it fits right into my routine. I get up, I cleanse my face, and I put it on, and out the door I go. It's great, and you know what? I've seen a difference.
Healthy life, healthy skin. I love that concept. So what are the benefits of this fabulous product? It has specific technology for a specific purpose in maintaining great looking skin, those redox signaling molecules. It's natural, simply replacing and accelerating what the body does naturally, cellular communication. It's gender neutral, a great and easy product for women and men who respect and care for the health of their skin. Using it is simple. After you cleanse, shake the bottle, apply a liberal amount to your face and massage in. Very easy. Follow up with your other products, moisturizer and sunblock, and you can expect to see great results as your skin benefits on a daily basis.
I really enjoy my soccer, and a big part of that is keeping up with my fitness. In general, I like to take care of myself, but as a guy I don't like it to be too complicated. I like the fact that Renew 28 is about keeping the skin fit in a way. I use it daily and just see it as another part of staying fit and healthy, and I feel like my skin's healthier for it.
Australians are going to love Renew 28. The redox signaling science and technology is unique, and both Australian men and women who really want and strive for healthier skin will see the results. At the end of the day, that's what we're all going for.